Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your Verve card is active and allowed for international or online payments, and your Google account billing country matches the card. Once done, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions. Make sure to choose payment methods so you can add a card. Now tap Add Credit or Debit Card and get ready to enter the Verve card details exactly as printed. Accuracy here prevents later declines, so double-check numbers and expiry. Next, you enter the Verve card number, expiration date, and CVV into the form. Type carefully and avoid autofill errors. Once that's entered, make sure the billing address matches the address your bank holds. This prevents address mismatch rejections. If Play offers adding the card to Google Pay, do it. Google Pay often handles verification and 3D Secure prompts more smoothly. After submitting, watch for a small temporary authorization charge or a verification code. Complete any bank prompt. To finish, choose your Verve card at checkout and confirm the purchase. If a 3D Secure or OTP appears, approve it promptly to complete payment. If the transaction is declined, first enable international or online purchases in your bank app or call customer support to authorize Play Store transactions. Make sure Play Store country settings and currency don't conflict with the card. If problems persist, clear Play Store cache, remove and re-add the card, or add it to Google Pay. These steps often resolve remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.